In simple terms, the Bank Secrecy Act exists because criminals need money. The BSA makes it hard for them to hide it. It is one of the most important financial crime fighting tools in the United States. Why the United States created Bank Secrecy Act BSA 1 to stop criminals from hiding money before 1970. Criminals could easily move large amounts of cash anonymously, hide illegal profits in banks, launder money through financial institutions, fund organized crime without detection. The government had no legal tools to track suspicious financial activity. The BSA changed that. It required banks to keep records, report large cash transactions, and flag suspicious activity, creating a financial trail criminals couldn't escape. 2. To fight organized crime, the BSA was passed during a time when the mafia controlled major U.S. cities. Drug trafficking was rising. Illegal gambling and racketeering were booming. Criminal organizations depended on the banking system to move their money. The BSA gave law enforcement the ability to follow the money and dismantle criminal networks. 3. To protect national security after 9/11, the BSA became even more important. Terrorist groups often use informal money networks, hidden transfers, shell companies, cash smuggling. The BSA helps detect and disrupt terrorist financing by requiring banks to report unusual patterns that may indicate threats to national security. 4. To strengthen the integrity of the U.S. financial system, a financial system that can be exploited by criminals. Loses trust, stability, international credibility. The BSA ensures transparency, accountability, traceability of funds. This protects the U.S. economy and keeps the financial system safe for legitimate users. 5. To prevent tax evasion and corruption, the BSA helps uncover hidden offshore accounts, unreported income, bribery schemes, political corruption, by requiring financial institutions to maintain detailed records. The BSA makes it harder for individuals or organizations to hide illicit wealth. 6. To support law enforcement investigations, BSA reports, especially suspicious activity reports (SARS), are used by FBI, DIRS, Homeland Security, FinCEN. These reports often provide the first clue in major investigations involving drug cartels, human trafficking, cybercrime, fraud rings, terrorist cells. The BSA turns banks into the front line of financial intelligence. Why the BSA still matters today, even in the digital age. Criminals continue to evolve. The BSA remains essential because it helps detect cryptocurrency laundering, online fraud, identity theft, ransomware payments, international money laundering networks. Without the BSA, the U.S. financial system would be wide open to exploitation. In simple terms, we have the BSA because, without it, criminals could move money freely. With it, the U.S. can track, stop, and prevent financial crime. It protects the country, the economy, financial institutions, and everyday people. It is one of the most important financial laws ever created.